Was the computer invented 1200 years ago? Let's talk about what I mean by computer. Quantum computers, robots, 3D printers, servers, laptops, smartphones, calculators, abacus. They are all computers. Their job is to compute numbers and find numerical answers. But who invented the first computer? It was a Persian mathematician, Al-Khawrazmi. Did you know that every computer, smartphone, and AI system owes its existence to a Persian astronomer and mathematician over 1,000 years ago? His name is Muhammad ibn Musa Al-Khawrazmi. His groundbreaking work on algorithms laid the foundation for the digital world we live in today. So, how did an ancient scholar invent the concept that powers modern technology? Let's dive into the story. Born around 780 AD in Khawrazm, in Iran, he worked at the House of Wisdom, a massive library and research center where scientists expanded knowledge from Greece, India, and Iran. His most famous book, Kitab al-Jabr, introduced algebra, but his other work, on the calculation with Hindu numerals, revolutionized mathematics by popularizing the decimal system and the number zero, concepts we still use today in almost all of our electronics. The word algorithm comes from Al-Khawrazmi because his work was so influential that European scholars later named problem-solving methods after him. Centuries later, mathematicians like Ada Lovelace and Alan Turing used this concept to design the first computer programs. Without Al-Khawrazmi's algorithms, we wouldn't have Google searches, social media, iPhones, and more. Algorithms are everywhere, from your phone's facial recognition to stock market predictions. Even artificial intelligence relies on algorithms to learn and make decisions. The internet runs on algorithms, and it all started with Al-Khawrazmi. So next time you use an app or ask a question to AI, remember, the genius of a 9th century Persian scholar made it all possible. Al-Khawrazmi's story reminds us that great ideas can come from anywhere, at any time or era. If you enjoyed this video, smash the like button, subscribe for more hidden histories of science, and let us know in the comments, what's your favorite algorithm? Thanks for watching.